Alright, so what's up everybody and welcome back to another video on this channel, and today we will talk about my secrets for high quality Instagram photos. Intro. Okay, so as I started uploading my images to Instagram, I always noticed the quality drop, and I always thought, what can I do to upload high quality images to Instagram? So maybe a few of you guys have the same problem right now, and that's why I'm sharing with you a few tips and tricks for high quality images. So let's get started. And the first tip is actually a basic one, and that is all about taking high quality images. What I mean is that if you simply start taking pictures randomly without caring about your camera settings, it is possible that the overall quality of your images is limited before you even have uploaded them to Instagram. So what you need to do is to always check all your camera settings to be sure that you use the best settings to take the picture. And yeah, in this case it's all about ISO, aperture and shutter speed. And if you don't know what this is, I've linked the video down in the description with a complete overview. And the second tip that I can give you to take high quality images is to clean your lens. If you have dust or fingerprints on your lens, the quality of your images can drop immediately because this will affect the overall sharpness of the photo. And yeah, especially if you're using a phone to take your images, it's most likely that you have accidentally touched the lens when you take it out of your pocket. So before you take the next photo, check if there are fingerprints on it to avoid low quality images. And yeah, exactly that is why you need to clean your lens before you take the next photo. The third tip to upload high quality images to Instagram is all about editing. And if you want to upload your edited pictures to Instagram, you need to be sure to actually take the pictures as raw images. Because raw images have more details saved into the file to make it possible to edit the picture in the style that you like. Otherwise, if you try to edit JPEG pictures, the editing of a JPEG file will destroy the image quality really fast because these images are really compressed to achieve a lower file size. So definitely take your images as raw files if you want to edit them, otherwise you will lower the quality immediately. The next tip is all about cropping for Instagram. And Instagram has some recommendations when you want to upload your images, and here Instagram recommends to use the image size 4:5. You can simply select the 4:5 cropping in your editing app or software. Like here in Lightroom, you simply go to this tool over here, next you click on this field and then you select the 4:5 option. And now you can choose which part of the image you want to use. So definitely use this tool to avoid that Instagram crops the image for you, because if Instagram needs to make adjustments to your images, it will affect the quality of your images again. Next, of course, we need to talk about how to get the pictures to your phone. And if you edit your pictures on your computer, you need to care about sending your photo to your phone. If you send it via email or messenger to your phone, your image will get compressed again. In fact, you will lose image quality. So instead of that, use AirDrop or a cloud system to get access to your images on your computer to avoid additional compression. And exactly these are my steps to upload high quality images to Instagram. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I see you in the next video.